lovely people, I'm Mado and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cooking Liberian favorite dish, potatoes leaves. This food is rich in all of the amazing nutrients you can ever think about, guys. It is so rich. So I entreat you to try and cook some, enjoy it. And it's so tasty. Liberians are known for their cooking. I have my fresh potatoes leaves here. I'll put salt inside the water. The salt will help kill any germ on the leaves or germs on the leaves. So I'll soak them for a while before I wash them, so that any germs there will be killed. I was able to soak the leaves in the water for at least 5 minutes. Now I'm washing them nicely. After washing them nicely, what I'm going to do now is to separate the stem from the leaf. Yes, in order for us to cook this wonderful rub green, we have to separate the stem from the leaf. So we are done removing the stem from the leaf. So now we are going to remove all of the skin from the stem. Yes, this way it will be easier for you to break the stem up into smaller pieces and it will cook faster. Yes, trust me, it's not an easy work. It might look simple, but it's not easy. Yeah, so we are trying to deskin it. I don't know whether that is a word. Have you seen why it's easier to break now? It's because the skin is not there. When the skin is not on the stem, any stem at all, it is easier to break. I'm trying to compare the one without skin and the one with skin. So at this point, I'm done removing almost all of the stem skin from it. Yes, it wasn't an easy journey, but we finally arrived. So now we have our leaves here. We are now going to rub it. You are going to rub it like how you rub your clothes when you are washing. Yes, or how you squeeze your clothes, either way. So we are going to rub it, and you see that as I keep rubbing it, the color will change. It will get darker and darker. Yes, it's not easy, but we have to rub it. That's how come it's called rub greens or rubbed potatoes leaf stew. But Liberians will say rub greens. Have you seen the color has changed? As we keep rubbing, the color will keep changing. So we are coming to empty our stems there now and rub it. It's going to be easier to rub because we've removed all of the skin. So let's rub it, you all. Down the first quarter of rubbing, I'm coming to add a little bit of baking soda. The baking soda helps to soften the leaves. Yes, so I'm going to rub it again with the baking soda. This way when you are cooking it, it's softer and it softens easily compared to when you don't put baking soda there at all. So I'm adding my onion. I'm done slicing them up, and yeah, everything is all set. So I'm going to put my pepper inside my blender so that I'll blend it. It's easier this way than grinding it. And let's season our chicken. I'm going to season it with some spices, natural and whatever type, to try to season it, whichever that suits you can. So let's season up. So at this point, I'm going to allow my chicken to sit for a while before I fry it. So it's the fish turn. I'm going to wash it nicely and put it in the pot and steam it a bit. So let's season it as well. So I just steamed my fish for about 5 minutes, and I'm now putting my pot on the fire and empty my oil to start frying my chicken. So yes, I'm also blending my pepper alongside. So I borrowed an old trick from my mom. She usually puts onion in the oil to test whether it's hot. So I'm putting my chicken in now because it shows that it is hot. So yep, thank you, mom. So the chicken is ready. It's time for me to remove it so that I will start frying my onions. So yeah, let's remove the chicken. So you should allow your onions to fry for a while before you put in your potatoes leaves, just as I'm doing. Yes, when the onion fries well, it gives the food great smell. Yeah, or it smells good. So you should also allow your potatoes leaves to fry for a while before you put in your pepper, as I am doing. My pepper didn't blend so well, but yeah, all good. After you put your pepper, you should also allow it to fry for a while, for at least 2 minutes. Then you put your seasoning or whatever, yeah, like I'm doing. So after all of it fries for about 5 minutes, you pour in your fish, your chicken, or whatsoever protein you have that you want to put it inside. Because it's already cooked, you don't have to put it in from the beginning. Yes, so let's put our chicken as well, and it's all set and ready for consumption, guys. This healthy Liberian dish. Liberians will say potatoes greens or potatoes leaves stew. Make sure that it fries well and all of the water in it dries up. So I'm trying to check whether all is dried up. If it's not, you allow it to be there. If the water doesn't dry up and you remove it, it gets spoiled easily. So yes, let it dry up nicely. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you did learn something from this video. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to join the family. Make sure your post notification bell is turned on so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you once again for preparing this Liberian potatoes leaf stew with me. I'm going to be eating it with rice, but you can eat it with whatsoever that you want to eat it with yam, with potatoes, with plantain, with gari, with whatever. It goes with anything. Yes, thank you once again. I am Ebiseni Mado. Catch you in my next video. Bye.